Look at me being big boy this morning. Oh my goodness. And I got my little guy outfit on. Oh, bless you. Good morning. Good morning. What you doing, little guy? Hey, say hi. Hey, say hi to everyone. Yeah. Hey, say hi. He got the hiccups, poor baby. Oh.
Those are hiccups for growing.
Oh, and the other babies are crying in the background. I know, it's confusing. I think he has blue eyes. I'm not sure. It's hard to tell. They say they can change. Oh, hi everybody. Hi everybody. I got the hiccups. I got the hiccups. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh.
God bless you.
He sneezed, Lindsay. Is that normal? Apparently, the nurse says that's normal. And you hear your mommy laugh. You hear your mommy laugh. Yeah, I'm just looking all around. I'm super awake this morning. Yeah. What's going on, Haven? I'm so proud of you. Your mommy's so proud of you. You're such a big boy. Yes, you are. You survived a whole night. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You survived a whole night on high flow. Yeah. You're such a big boy. You're such a big boy. Oh. Oh. Yeah. What's going on? Oh. Oh, yeah, he's wearing his little guy onesie. I'm wearing my little guy onesie. Oh, are you making noise? What are you doing, Mama?
I was showing the little one guy.
You're listening to your nanny.
I love you. Your papa can't wait to get his hands on you. He'll be here on the 2nd. Yes, he will. Your papa is coming on the 2nd, and he's gonna hold on to you. Yes, he is. Yes, my baby's daddy. Papa is gonna be here. Yeah, 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 he is.
Can y'all hear the little squeaks? Can you hear the little squeaks? Hi.
He's gonna make a noise. Can you hear me?
Oh, the hiccups. I wish I could stop them for you, baby. I don't know how to stop them for you.
Say, I know I need them to grow.
Yeah. Deborah says, hi, Granny.
Hey,
Oh.
hello.
Hi, Mimi. Hi. See, it looks so big, but I'm really still super tiny. I'm still really super tiny.
I love you. You're so good. I love you. Hey, sweetie. Hey, darling.
Oh. Oh. The hiccups, the hiccups.
Oh, yeah, you got the name.
I know, he's got the hiccups. I don't know how to stop them. Hey, little bear. Hey, little bear. Yeah, do you know you're a mighty peanut? Do you know you're a mighty peanut? Do you know it? Do you know how strong you are?
God is so good. So
And do
good,
you know how
Johnny.
God is so good? Yeah.
You answer so many prayers.
You know how many people prayed for you? Make sure you got out of surgery okay? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. 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 You just looking around, exploring your environment? He literally woke up and was like, whoa, I'm on the mama. I'm on the mama. I'm on the mama. How did that happen? That doesn't happen until the evening. But guess what, buddy? You get held twice a day from now on. Yeah. Can you believe it? You get held twice a day? Yeah. Because now you're a big boy and we can move you easier. Maybe you'll be awake for Winnie the Pooh? You're gonna be awake when I read you Winnie Pooh today, or you're gonna sleep through it again? He goes, I don't know. I'm a little shocked. I don't know what's going on in the world. This is also new to me, Mommy. Yeah. Everyone says you are scrumptious and adorable. Do you know that? Do you know what that means? Yeah. I love you, sweet baby bear. Mommy loves you. Mommy loves you. I know, hiccups. That's what you have. You have the hiccups. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Hey, Nanny, little man. I love you. I love you.
He is a doll baby.
I love you, sweet pea. Yeah.
Blink,
Am I
blink.
only one that calls you sweet pea?
Little hand.
I love you.
Little hand.
Yes, I do. Nanny's man. Nanny's little man.
He knows you're talking to him. His eyes are all turned toward you.
I know, I can see it. He's Nanny's man. Nanny's little man. Yes, you are. You are so precious. Yeah. Hey,
We're gonna try to buff those nails today, buddy.
Hey, man.
I know. Little boy problems, huh?
Yeah.
There you go. Swallowing sometimes helps my hiccups. Being scared also helps my hiccups, but I'm not gonna scare you. No. Did they stop?
We need every one of those hiccups to make you grow. Yes, we do.
See, I can turn and bounce my head. Yeah. I can get up out of bed easy.
Yeah.
I don't need an RT. Yeah.
Sorry.
So Mommy's gonna just be able to pick me up. Yeah. Is your mommy gonna just be able to pick you up soon? Huh? Is what's gonna happen? Yeah.
You looking for me again? Oh, what was that? You looking for me again?
Oh, we might have to try that. If you stick a little tiny square wet piece of paper on the forehead, it distracts them and they stop hiccuping. Wow. What's going on? So that's a pressure point right there. Sometimes that helps. Oh, oh, yawn. Oh, yawn. I can't stop staring at him either. Even TV is the best channel out there, where all your worries just go away. Big yawn. And you live in the moment. And you recognize this precious thing called life. Are you sleeping with one eye open? He is very handsome. He got the good genes, that's for sure. He got the good genes. Your perfect little nosy. Look, your perfect little nosy. What's doing? Are you styling? Are you posing? Are you posing? He is growing so quickly. He's up to 1040. Pamela says good morning, Master Haven. You checking out Nanny?
I love you.
Look at all those wrinkles under there. Oh my goodness.
I love you.
I'm starting to have the baby putch face.
I love you. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I love that boy. Oh, please don't cry.
What happened? What happened, Nanny? What happened? Shit, my hat's falling off, Mommy. Nanny will fix it.
There
That's
it goes.
better. Oh, what just happened? What's the sensation?
Look at the camera. He's watching, following the camera.
I told you I was joking with I was joking that he's gonna think his mom's an iPhone.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's gonna think your mom's an iPhone.
You want to put that hand up? You want to put that hand up?
It's kind of wedged.
There's a gun. Oh, there it is. You didn't get it in there.
It's too much, Mom. It's too much. I'm just gonna rest here. He is a little fighter. Are you, Jr., baby? He's fighting all the way.
You were doing so good. Now you ready for the stuff?
Oh.
You were so
What's you doing with
pretty.
it? Are you feeling your environment? Are you feeling your environment? You want Mommy to give you a kissy? You want Mommy to give you a kissy? I'm gonna kiss those little hands. Yes, I am. Oh, big yawn. Oh my goodness. Big yawn. Oh, it might be nighttime. It might be nighttime. Yeah. Oh, Mommy. Oh, I was having this dream. And then I woke up and I was on you. And it's not evening time yet, so I'm confused. I love you, sweet baby. Mommy's so proud of you. You waving bye-bye? Bye-bye, everybody. Have a blessed day. So thank you to Team Haven. Thank you to Team Haven. Oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, you're so cute.